Here's another Schindler 5400 OP MRL at Ipswich Riverlink shopping centre. This one's got a really interesting wallpaper. I like it. A little cavity. With number 1, maximum weight 1500 kilos, 20 persons. I like how the doors say the alley. It's really nice. Like, it feels like I'm in another country now. This is probably my favourite lift here. Okay, there's all the logos. Might do one last ride up to 1 and then go to ground and end it. It's just a 5400 AP, but just a standard 5400 AP you see every day, but it's got a very nice wallpaper. I like it. Did it work? There we go. Some street art on the walls. There it goes. Just a boring lift on the outside, and that's it.